design is all around you. One discipline that develops positivity in mankind is design. It is about being spontaneous, being innovative, being creative, and making everything around you symmetrical, even your breath. DJ Academy of Design is part of DJAD Trust. Here our team of experts facilitate the true visionary in you and create some of the best designers. Here design becomes your true nature as you not only live design but also learn to bring life to everything around you. DJAD is a true sense of design Gurukul. Here we prepare our youth to become innovative creators and accomplished professionals to take charge of global future. The learning at DJAD is personalized, value-based, and aimed at holistic growth of an individual, besides imparting the skills and knowledge required to become a design professional. This is one magical place where students from diverse backgrounds come together to learn enthusiastically. It is an exciting learning environment which is participatory, experimental, and experiential. Our well-equipped workshops help foster your creative concepts as you efficiently execute the theory into practical under the expert guidance of our industry professionals. The state-of-art Media Lab caters to all-round professional development with the appropriate industry inputs. It efficiently helps them explore, experiment, and practice all the audiovisual skills and techniques. Constant review of individual students' progress takes place without any comparison, which truly encourages their growth and improvement. This unique process helps nurture the analytical skills and intellectual capabilities in our students. In our Gurukul way of education, we give equal importance to self-learning and self-analytical processes. It has been widely acknowledged that a healthy body equals a healthy mind. Development of a well, all-rounded individual is the principal goal of extracurricular activities at the Academy. DJ Academy of Design is a unique residential program that caters to a true sense design living. Encouraging healthy eating habits help initiate a healthy lifestyle, enabling energetic and productive individuals. A key to true happiness. A healthy and constructive feedback is the actual source of academic growth and individual development. Our aim is to impart them knowledge and inputs which will enable them to thrive in a multicultural environment. At DJAD, the torch is in your hands, so hold it up high and let it spread its light to illuminate the future.